welcome back to our channel.
My name is Laura.
And my name is Ray.
And today for you, we have a Halloween / fall haul. We got some stuff to hopefully decorate our house with.
My mom loves Halloween.
I do. I love Halloween. I've got my Halloween shirt on today.
A bunch of them.
Yes, I do have. You're right. I have a bunch of Halloween shirts, don't I?
I don't
love
really like Halloween.
Halloween. It's my favorite time of the year. I love fall, Halloween, getting dressed up, decorating, all the things for fall. So Ray and I went to Dollar Tree, right?
Yeah.
And so we got some stuff that we're going to show you. So we're trying to keep this. Oh, I forgot one more thing. Can you run down and grab those little things from Target? Do you remember? They're down in the kitchen. The little potion. So they're on the mic. They're by the microwave. Okay. So go this way. So she's gonna go and get me one more thing really quick. Go. They're by the microwave. So like I said, we went shopping at Dollar Tree this afternoon. I'm trying to keep this under $30 roughly. I was thinking $30, maybe $50 if I have to. I'm going to look and see about some of the stuff that I got last year and kind of see how I can incorporate into the stuff for this year for decorating. Perfect. So this is mostly Dollar Tree, but I did get 2 things from Target. Do you want to go ahead and show those?
Yes, so we had these little ghost and pumpkin little rainbow
potion bottles. Yeah, so this is what they look like. These were in the dollar spot or like the $5 spot. I don't know what it's called anymore because they have stuff that's like $1, $3, and $5, and these were $1 a piece. All right, guys. So I know this is kind of abrupt, but I was having a coughing fit, so I stopped the video right there, and we'll continue once I am done showing you these items at Dollar Tree. So I did get to record a little bit while I was in there. So these are some of the really cute, fun, like Halloween / fall things that we got. And this is just me like putting some things in the cart. My daughter picked out that skeleton, and then here's some more footage, but it was a little bit difficult just because I was trying to chase after her in the store as well as try to look and find really cute and cool things that I wanted. This was like a glow-in-the-dark plate, which I thought was really cool, but it was plastic, and I'm trying not to use as much plastic if I don't have to, but they had some really awesome ideas if you're having like a Halloween party. They had some really cute plates. These were the plates, and my daughter was like, "Is that a hat? Can I try it on?" And I was like, "No, it's not a hat, it's a plate." But I thought they did a really good job of having things, like I said, if you're having a party, they had like the cutest, these little dishes, and they had little cups and like bowls, just everything you would need for a party. And I would love to have a Halloween party, but honestly, probably not this year. My house just isn't big enough. This Pick Your Poison sign I thought was really cute. I was really close to getting it. They had a lot of really cute signs, but I just wasn't sure where I was going to put it. So I may have to go back or look for some other things. Also had these hand soaps. I did get the pumpkin one, as you'll see here coming up. I really wanted the ghost one, but I didn't end up getting that. I might go back and get it because I do have 2 bathrooms, and it was only $1.50.
Okay, sorry about that, guys.
That's all right. Okay, so like I'm very sick right now, so we had a little bit of a coughing fit. And so anyway, we're going to get right into the video and get started. Okay, so you want to show them what you picked out?
I got this skeleton.
It's like a really huge skeleton. Here's like the picture.
We're gonna have to build it.
Yes, we'll put it together. It's 3 feet. Looks pretty big, Ray. And so I don't know, we might put this on the door maybe.
Maybe if it has like a little hook on top.
Oh yeah, we could hook it somewhere. Yeah, so we've got this. I think this was, so most things were $1.25 or $1.50. So this one was, I don't know if it's skeleton. This was $1.50. So their prices have definitely gone up a little bit, as you all know, which kind of stinks, but it is what it is, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So we also I got this little paint thing. It's like you have 6 colors of paint, if you can see, and it also comes with the brush.
Yeah.
And it has like a little canvas.
I know, that's cute. Like the easel that you can put on. Yeah, that's cute.
Right? It had like a potion explosion and a bat.
Very cute. Okay. And then next, you want to hold one? I'll hold the other.
We
got these
candles.
Yes, they're like a
haunted
haunted house, it looks like, and they're like dripping down, and I think they light up. Right? I think we just have to take the paper out.
Yeah, and put
I hope they don't need batteries because. Okay, maybe don't pull them out like that.
Okay.
So I'm hoping to like put these either on our
I was gonna say we can put these by our Christmas tree, but it's not Christmas yet.
Yeah, we don't have our Christmas tree up. So we'll maybe put these. We've got like some shelving, or maybe like on the mantle up here. I'm not sure what we're gonna do with these yet, but we got these. I think these were. Let me see. Sorry. Hard to see. Yep, these were $1.50 each, so $3 total for both of these.
Coming off.
Yeah, it's okay. We'll just put it back on. Okay, and then what else did we get? So we got. I can hand it to you, okay?
So
Rayla picked these out. What are those?
They're little like pumpkin basket things, and these were.
Baby, you can't read yet. Let me see. I think these were the bucket. Yeah, those were $1.50.
$1.50.
So I'm not. What do you want to do with these? Like, what did you think we should do?
We could like maybe like decorate them in our room. I would say like put some of them. Put like 2. We each get 2, and we can like pick where we want to put them anywhere in our room.
You know what I was thinking?
Put them on a vanity.
Well, I was thinking maybe we could do like if we did like a little snack night or something, we could put like sprinkles or like chocolate chips in here.
Yeah.
I thought these would be really cute for maybe that. So if you wanted to do like a hot cocoa Halloween night or like a caramel apple where you had like toppings, you could put the toppings in these.
Yeah.
I've seen like someone hang them, which was really cute.
We can put stuff in like candy or stuff, and then we can like hang them up. That would be really cute.
Yeah, that would be cute. So I don't know what we're gonna do with these yet, but Rayla wanted to pick these out. What is this?
We got this is still a soap.
It is, yeah. It's Halloween. It's soap.
We got this
pumpkin soap.
Pumpkin soap.
Yeah, I thought the pumpkins were cute. They also had a really cute ghost one
that you wanted to get.
I wanted it so bad. That we will. So that will be in like the footage.
Yeah.
Before this, we'll show you. So we took a little bit of video while we were in the store, just a little bit. It's kind of wobbly just because I was in there with Ray and I was talking to her and trying to do this. So anyway, and then we got some. What are these? Ray? Can you sit back a little bit?
Caramels.
Yes, we got some caramels. These are for a snack. So I really want to do, and I'll probably show this on here. I want to do you haven't seen it yet, but I've seen it online. You're not online. So it's like a pretzel with
like caramel
with a caramel and like a chocolate and then a green apple on top, like a slice.
Oh, I think I've seen that. I feel like I've seen that. Like you melt the caramel and the chocolate, and then you like drizzle it on top of the pretzels.
Oh yeah, we had that last year. So it's pretty much the same, but these are just going to be like bites instead of like the bark. Okay. So I love a good fall treat also. So this isn't fall stuff, but we did get a couple extra things. So you can show that, Ray.
So my mom got this chapstick.
Oh, yeah.
It's brown.
So this is the Vaseline. I love the cocoa butter one. It's like probably my favorite. The rose one is good too, but I always get these at Dollar Tree. So I really like this, if you can kind of see it.
She also has a rose one in her claws.
I do,
We can't edit that in. So I also got these paint sticks. I got these last time, but the pink was a little bit lighter. And this is darker, and then I got like a watermelon green, and I didn't get the purple. So these are new.
Okay. Yep. And then Rayla picked these out. So this is like some. I think I got two. Yeah, it looks like I got two.
I think you can put it all
that would be cute.
Like
but I only wanted to get one of these, but then I saw she scanned two of them, so we'll figure out what to do with these. I think they'll be cute. I maybe like to do them around the like the stairs, like the railing of the stairs. I think would be cute.
Yeah, that would.
I think that'd be really cute. And then I also got.
Here, take that.
Oh, thank you. I also got this black ghost one. I really wanted to do, like I did last year, I love like a black and white themed Halloween decor, fall decor stuff, but I don't know that we're going to do that this year because we got a lot of orange stuff, so stay tuned to see what we do with these. Yeah, we could do like an orange and black, which is like Halloween colors. And then do you want to show them what you got?
I got this gumball machine. It has, that's black. So it has this little notch, and then it's not really gumballs inside, but the little jelly beans.
Yeah.
They like fall out and they come through the hole.
Yeah, we tried to do little airhead bites, and they were too big. So the jelly beans worked out well. I don't think gumballs would fit in there. Do you think they would fit in there?
They would be too.
Yeah, they'd be too round and too big. But yeah, you could show. So it's a pumpkin. Isn't that cute? Yeah, and so we just washed it. We filled the jelly beans. So go ahead and turn it. You can. I'll try to catch it.
Oh gosh, it's not.
I think it's the other way. Oh, there you go. And we got a couple. We got four.
Okay,
so
Mommy,
yeah,
you can eat them.
Okay, yeah. So these, you can see the jelly beans came out. Oh, and there's even some more. So you'll get a lot. I think I'm actually gonna put them back in. Because I don't want any right now, but so that is what we got for our Halloween. I was gonna say it's not really fall, it's mostly Halloween stuff that we got. I don't think I'm gonna decorate just strictly for fall. Whoops, I need to close it. Just because I know it's okay. I don't really. The time is so short. It's already September 1st here when we're filming this. And so I feel like by the time we decorate for fall, it's basically going to be October. And then we're going to be decorating for Halloween again anyway. So I think I'm just going to lump them together this year and see what I already have. And then try to use up this stuff. I might throw a couple more things that aren't in this video. I was looking at maybe getting some stuff on Amazon or maybe some other sites. So stay tuned. We're gonna definitely do a fall/Halloween clean and decorate with us. So that will be on here soon. So, all right. Well, thank you guys so much for watching our video.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yes, please subscribe if you enjoy this content. I know this is not typically what I do. It's more like cleaning stuff, but I thought this would be fun to kind of throw in there. Yeah. So anyway, like I said, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in our next one. Bye. For now.